believe so.
We were in Yongmaru Koge.
용마루. 용산?
Yeah, Yongsan.
Really? I'm Bapo.
Mapogu. Mapogu.
Yeah,
So
Mapogu, yeah.
we lived in the same area.
Yeah,
Almost.
yeah.
What are you doing here?
Singing here.
Traveling, huh?
Yeah, traveling.
Very, very nice.
Thank you so much.
We lived there 8 years. Our best
good.
years. We
Yeah.
still have friends.
Yeah.
My father was a Korean War veteran,
Really? Wow.
Turkish Brigade.
Yeah.
We went to the Korean War
Really?
Memorial and stuff.
Yeah.
I worked at the Yongsan Army Base.
Really?
Yes. I was in the US Army.
Really? It's amazing. Near 삼각지.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Samnakji.
Yeah.
Very nice. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 계세요.
예.
감사합니다. 단생. Oh yeah, sure.
Because I'm going to send my friends back in.
Yeah.
Gelsene Çağla.
Okay.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
You play in Arirang?
Arirang? Okay, I'll try.
Yeah.
Really?
Arirang. We missed Arirang.
But
아리랑 아리랑 아라리요 아리랑 고개를 넘어간다 아리랑 아리랑 아라리요 아리랑 고개를 넘어간다 나를 버리고 가시는 님은 심리도 못 가서 발병난다 나를 버리고 가시는 님은 한 고개를 넘어간다. 감사합니다. I very respectful because I finished my military service also, so I very respectful.
Oh, so Medusa or?
No, I was in Hachon, the border.
Oh, so you were
Seven.
Froka or Sroka?
I was a machine gun soldier.
No, like Froka, Sroka, first Rock Army or second Rock Army?
Come on, maybe.
Second Rock Army?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You know everything.
Yeah. Koreans are our brothers.
Yeah.
My best 8 years in my life. We love Korea.
Yeah.
That's my home. Now we live in the States,
you live in States.
Texas.
Really? You also
Home here,
traveling?
house, yeah.
Really?
now we are in Turkey. We traveling.
Okay, but you live in States.
Dual citizen. Remembers my father. So I was in tears. I was like, you know? Yeah. But he died right before we left Korea in 2018.
Yes, he died.
Died.
Exact 100 years old.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Very nice to meet you. Thank you
Nice
so
to meet
much.
you. Thank you so much.
안녕히 가세요.